Hello everyone, welcome to Learner's World by Sneha Ma'am, and it's me, Sneha Ma'am again. Alright, today I've brought you a really nice story. It's called The Colors of Nature. So get ready to be taken on a ride which has which will make you see and imagine different colors and also understand the beauty of nature. Alright, so let's get started. Are you ready to go on a journey with me which explores the colors of nature? Let's get started. Okay, so this story is called Colors of Nature and the author is Bulbul Sharma. She has also illustrated this story, that is, drawn the pictures. She is Bulbul Sharma. Okay, so let's get started. I see a blue butterfly waving goodbye. I see a yellow bee drinking a cup of tea. I see a red fish in a dish. I see a green frog, ribbit, ribbit, playing with a puppy dog. Bow wow! I see an orange duck wishing me good luck. I also see a violet flower dancing with a caterpillar. I see a grey and black cat meow wearing an orange hat. I see a grey and brown mouse hiding in a pink house. I see a red and black fox wearing purple socks. I also see a green grasshopper reading a black and white newspaper. I see a black and purple goat sailing in a red boat. I see a green and brown crocodile, but he's giving me a smile. I also see a black and blue snake, but it's eating a slice of cake. I see a red and yellow hen, puck, 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 writing with a pen. I see a black and orange tiger standing in the water. I see all of these things with my two black eyes, all the colors as they fly. So that was the story, Colors of Nature. I'm sure you saw all the different colors and also learned a little bit about nature and all the animals, insects, trees, and birds. So I'll see you next time with another new video and another new story. Bye.